complementation and collaboration of initiatives and interventions to ensure that the outcome will be materialized. The multilateral system makes it easier for local governments in policy formulation and facilitates faster program implementation. This is Mayor Madel Alfelor of Iriga City, Philippines, and Treasurer of UCLG World, supports the 75th anniversary of the United Nations.
Mabuhay! Iriga City!